Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to turn off your email subscriptions in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to Accounts and List. The button's on the top right section on the navbar. Simply click on it. Well, this right here is the Your Account section. Simply scroll down till you see something like Communication and Content. And from here, let's directly go to Email Subscriptions. I'm gonna click on the button right now. Well, as you can see, these are my current email subscriptions. Well, there's no button to turn them all off automatically. What you have to do is simply toggle them off one by one. As you can see, the subscription is currently turned on. I'm just gonna toggle off the button for each and one of them. Right here, as you can see, I'm toggling them off. And that's it guys, that's how you turn off email subscriptions for your Amazon account. It is quite easy. And guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.